The average SUV costs $8,000 to $12,000 in repairs and maintenance over 10 years. And that number does not include fuel. It does not include insurance increases. And it definitely does not include depreciation. By year 3, many owners are already facing $3,000 repairs. By year 6, it's often $5,000 or more. Right when people expect things to calm down, most buyers never calculate this. They look at the monthly payment, they ignore the long-term damage, and that single mistake can quietly erase $20,000 to $30,000 from your pocket. Money you thought was safe, but not every SUV does this. Some models, proven by Consumer Reports, IIHS safety data, and long-term ownership records, stay out of the repair shop year after year. Today, we're breaking down 7 SUVs built to protect your money instead of draining it. If you want to buy once and stop worrying, stay with us. Toyota RAV4. This SUV is one of the few that mechanics almost never see for major failures. The Toyota RAV4 is America's best-selling SUV for a reason. It's not flashy, it's not exciting, but it's built for people who want a car that just keeps going, especially buyers who plan to own for 10 years or more. Under the hood, the RAV4 keeps things simple. A naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, a proven automatic transmission, no experimental tech that ages badly. According to long-term reliability data from Consumer Reports, the RAV4 consistently ranks at the top of its class. Major drivetrain failures are rare, very rare. Owners regularly report 200,000 to 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Oil changes, brakes, tires, that's it. The RAV4 earns top safety pick ratings from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety in multiple model years. That matters more than people think. Safer SUVs cost less to insure fewer severe claims. Lower repair severity after accidents. That means you're saving money every single month, not just when something breaks. The RAV4 isn't fast, and that's part of the reason it lasts. The engine is not stressed, fuel economy stays reasonable, and parts are cheap and widely available. Less strain, less wear, lower lifetime cost. Owner surveys consistently show the same pattern. Low repair frequency, high satisfaction, very few surprise expenses. This is not an SUV people sell because it scares them. It's one they replace because they get bored of it, or because it finally outlives their needs. Here's the part most people miss. Because the RAV4 almost never breaks, it also barely depreciates compared to rivals. Used models hold value year after year, sometimes selling for only a few thousand less than newer competitors. That means lower repair bills and stronger resale. You keep more of your money on the way in, and on the way out, the Toyota RAV4 does not ruin you financially. It protects you. But the next SUV on this list proves something even more interesting. A brand that once scared buyers. Hyundai Santa Fe. For years, Hyundai scared conservative buyers. Cheap cars, questionable longevity. That reputation is gone. The Santa Fe is built for buyers who want predictability, clear costs, clear coverage, and no financial surprises later in life. The Santa Fe's biggest strength is not one single part, it's the system around it. Hyundai backs this SUV with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That alone changes the entire risk equation. Engines and transmissions are covered long after most rivals leave you exposed. If something serious fails early, you're not paying for it. Hyundai is. Real-world ownership data shows many Santa Fe models crossing 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Oil, brakes, suspension wear items. Major drivetrain failures are uncommon within the ownership window that matters most. The Santa Fe earns strong crash test results from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety across multiple model years. That has a direct financial effect. Safer vehicles generate fewer severe insurance claims, which keeps premiums lower over time. For older buyers, that means stability. The bill you expect is the bill you get. Owner surveys show a consistent pattern: low surprise repair frequency, high satisfaction with long-term ownership costs. That matters more than horsepower once you plan to keep a vehicle for a decade. The Santa Fe combines lower purchase prices with long warranty protection. That means less money at risk up front. You're protected during the years when most SUVs start getting expensive. And by the time the warranty ends, depreciation has already slowed. The Hyundai Santa Fe does not ruin you financially. It shields you during the most dangerous ownership years. But if you think warranty protection is impressive, the next SUV on this list proves something else. Some vehicles don't need protection at all. Honda CR-V. Some SUVs reach retirement age before their owners do. This is one of them. The Honda CR-V has always been the quiet choice. No drama, no trends, just long-term ownership done right. This SUV is built for people who keep cars 10 or 15 years, sometimes longer. The CR-V is engineered around restraint, small engines, low stress, simple, proven components. According to long-term reliability data from Consumer Reports, the CR-V consistently ranks near the top of the compact SUV class. Major engine and transmission failures are uncommon. Owners routinely report 250,000 miles with no major repairs. Some older models push well beyond 300,000 miles on original drivetrains. That does not happen by accident. It happens when a vehicle is designed to survive time, not impress reviewers. The CR-V earns top safety pick ratings from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety across multiple generations. That matters financially. Safer vehicles mean fewer severe crashes. Fewer severe crashes mean lower insurance payouts. Owner surveys show one clear trend. The CR-V rarely surprises people. Repairs are predictable, costs are modest, and serious failures are rare. This is not an SUV owners panic sell. It's one they replace because they want something new, not because something went wrong. The engine is tuned for efficiency and longevity. Fuel economy stays strong. Mechanical strain stays low. Less stress means fewer breakdowns. Here's the financial reality. The Honda CR-V holds its value exceptionally well. Depreciation is slow, repair costs stay low. That combination protects your money twice, once while you own it, and again when you sell it. The Honda CR-V does not ruin you financially. It quietly safeguards your future. But the next SUV on this list plays a very different game. It sacrifices efficiency for something else entirely. Toyota 4Runner. Some SUVs wear out in 10 years. This one is often just getting started. The Toyota 4Runner is not built like modern crossovers. This SUV is made for buyers who don't want surprises. People who plan to keep one vehicle for 15, even 20 years. Here's the key difference. The 4Runner uses body-on-frame construction, the same approach used in trucks. Thicker steel, simpler systems, fewer weak points. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated V6 paired with a proven automatic transmission. No turbo stress, no fragile CVT, no experimental drivetrain. According to long-term reliability rankings from Consumer Reports, the 4Runner consistently scores among the most durable SUVs sold in the United States. Real-world ownership data shows 300,000 miles is common. 400,000 miles is not rare. And documented cases go even higher with basic maintenance. That kind of longevity eliminates one major fear: catastrophic failure. Despite its old-school design, the 4Runner earns solid safety scores from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Insurance companies understand this vehicle. Parts are available, repairs are straightforward, claims are predictable. That keeps long-term insurance costs stable, not cheap, but controlled. Owner feedback follows the same pattern over and over. Very few major repairs, minimal electronics failures, no pattern of transmission or engine disasters. Most owners don't sell because the 4Runner breaks. They sell because they no longer need something this rugged. That's an important distinction. Fuel economy sits around 16 to 19 miles per gallon. That is the trade-off. But here's the reality. Fuel costs are predictable. Major repairs are not. The 4Runner trades fuel efficiency for mechanical survival, and for many buyers, that's the smarter long-term decision. The Toyota 4Runner has some of the lowest depreciation of any SUV sold in America. 10-year-old models still command strong prices. That means two things. You spend less fixing it, and you lose less when you sell it. But if you think durability has to come with truck-like weight and fuel bills, the next SUV on this list proves the opposite. Mazda CX-5. This SUV avoids one design choice that has cost owners thousands of dollars. Most compact SUVs chase features. The Mazda CX-5 chased discipline. It's built for buyers who want something refined, but refuse to gamble on fragile engineering, especially those planning long ownership, not quick leases. Here's the decision that matters most. The CX-5 does not use a CVT transmission. It uses a traditional 6-speed automatic. That single choice removes one of the most expensive failure points in modern SUVs. CVT replacements often cost $4,000 to $6,000. The CX-5 avoids that risk entirely. According to long-term reliability rankings from Consumer Reports, the CX-5 consistently scores near the top of the compact SUV category. Owners regularly report 200,000 miles with no major drivetrain repairs. No transmission rebuilds, no engine failures, just routine maintenance. The CX-5 earns top safety pick plus ratings from the Insurance Institute for highway safety in multiple model years. That rating matters financially. Better crash performance means lower injury severity. Lower severity means lower insurance payouts, which keeps premiums from creeping up over time. This is not an SUV owners complain about online. It's one they quietly keep driving. That silence is important. Reliable vehicles don't generate drama. The CX-5 feels sharper than most competitors. Engines are naturally aspirated in most trims. Turbo options exist but are not required. Fuel economy stays competitive. Less complexity, less stress, lower lifetime cost. The Mazda CX-5 does not ruin you financially. It avoids the traps that quietly empty wallets. The next SUV on this list takes a very different path. All-wheel drive comes standard. Subaru Outback. This SUV saves money by refusing to upsell you what others charge thousands for. The Subaru Outback was never designed to impress. It was designed to survive weather, time, and neglect. The Outback follows one simple rule: consistency. Subaru makes all-wheel drive standard. No optional systems, no mismatched components, no part-time setups that wear unevenly. That matters long-term. According to reliability rankings from Consumer Reports, the Outback consistently scores above average for durability. Many owners report 200,000 to 300,000 miles with no major drivetrain repairs. Routine maintenance only. Nothing catastrophic. Older Outbacks have proven this pattern for decades. The formula hasn't changed. The Outback earns top safety pick plus ratings from the Insurance Institute for highway safety in multiple model years. This directly affects insurance. Safer vehicles produce fewer high-cost claims. Fewer claims keep premiums from climbing. Over 10 years, that difference quietly adds up to thousands of dollars saved. The Outback is not quick, it's controlled. Engines are tuned for longevity, not speed. Fuel economy remains reasonable. Mechanical stress stays low. That balance is exactly what keeps repair costs from exploding later. Here's the hidden advantage. Because all-wheel drive is standard, you don't pay extra up front, and you don't pay later for uneven wear or system failures. Depreciation stays controlled. Repair costs stay predictable. The Subaru Outback does not ruin you financially. It quietly removes expensive variables from ownership. But the next SUV on this list is built for a very different buyer. One who wants absolute durability and is willing to pay for it. Lexus LX. This SUV regularly outlives mortgages, careers, and sometimes even its owners. The Lexus LX is not a luxury SUV in the usual sense. Underneath the leather and wood, it is a Toyota Land Cruiser, one of the most durable vehicle platforms ever built. This SUV is designed for people who want their last vehicle, not their next one. The Lexus LX is documented running 400,000 to 500,000 miles with original engines and transmissions. In extreme use regions like Africa and the Middle East, verified cases exceed 1 million miles with routine maintenance. This is not folklore. This platform is chosen by governments, NGOs, and military contractors because it does not fail. According to long-term reliability rankings from Consumer Reports, the Lexus LX consistently scores at or near the top of all SUVs sold in America. Major drivetrain failures are exceptionally rare. The engine is a large displacement, naturally aspirated V8, low stress, overbuilt internals, designed to run hot, cold, and overloaded for decades. The LX earns strong crash test results from the Insurance Institute for highway safety for its class and weight. Insurance companies understand this vehicle. Claims are infrequent, repair severity is predictable. Owner surveys reveal a clear pattern. Very few emergency repairs, very few catastrophic failures. Long gaps between service visits. Owners don't complain about breakdowns. This is where the shock becomes undeniable. 10-year-old Lexus LX models still command five-figure prices. Some sell for more than half their original value after a decade. That level of depreciation resistance is almost unheard of. You lose less buying it, you lose less owning it, and you lose less selling it. The Lexus LX does not ruin you financially. It eliminates the single biggest threat to long-term ownership: failure. Today, you saw a clear pattern. The SUVs that protect your money are not the flashiest ones. They're the ones that stay out of the repair shop, hold their value, and don't surprise you later in life. Over 10 or 20 years, that difference can mean tens of thousands of dollars. Less stress, fewer breakdowns, and real peace of mind. If you want to keep making smart decisions with your money, subscribe to Gastail and ring the bell. so you don't miss the next breakdown. Because the most expensive SUV is never the one with the highest price, it's the one that fails you when it matters most.